Kane, what are you doing? I was spying on you over there.
Oh.
Are you digging in some dirt?
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like you got an excavator that we just played with. And you got 2 dump trucks. And you got a bulldozer right here. Look at those big old wheels on that bulldozer. And then are you putting that dirt in that dump truck?
Yeah.
And then there's a little baby dump truck over there. In Texas here, we get a lot of this red dirt.
Look at the big one.
And he's saying, look at all the bluebonnets. If you're not from Texas, then you may not have seen bluebonnets in your area. And here in springtime, they pop up in April and May, and they don't last very long, but they smell. Yeah, rocks. They smell great, and they are the state flower of Texas. So enjoy bluebonnet heaven right here.
Something stuck.
And you'll get people that will pull off on the side of the road and take family pictures and plop their kids right down in the bluebonnets. So we thought we'd have a little dirt digging fun and see if we can't fill up a dump truck or 2 before the bus gets here. I hear that bug. The only thing with bluebonnets is that sometimes they bring bees. You're okay, there's nothing around you. That's just a flower. There's no bees. See if you can fill up that dump truck with dirt. You want me to help you? No? No? That's a good load, Kane. And we are about 300 yards from the lake.
See?
Right over there. That's the lake. So whenever we want to go fishing, or boating, or picnicking, we just have a short walk, 300 yards or so.
Stroller.
Stroller walk, that's right. We do lots of stroller walks.
Maya out.
And we take Maya out. Maya is our big black German Shepherd. Let me see if I can help you.
Big.
What is that, a rock?
No. There's a rock.
Here's some dirt for you. There you go. There you go. Bluebonnets smell good, don't they?
Orange.
Orange. That's yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Good talking.
Those are right there.
Yeah, you're right. So Kane here is another lover of trucks and garbage trucks. Can you say garbage trucks rule?
Double shot rules.
Good talking.
That one too.
Y'all done digging?
Yeah. Pick up bag. That one.
Alright guys, well I think we're done for now. The bus is getting ready to come. So we're gonna go back and meet the kids on the bus. Go inside and have a snack.
Yeah.
And then we'll come back out inside and play again. So remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. And we will see you in the next video. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave.
Wave.
Hey. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Whoops.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye, guys. This one is a sandstormer. And that is by Air Hogs. It says air pressure engines right there. Kick up the dirt. Now this one does have some buttons on the bottom.